2,700 horsepower out of these light pro stock tractors. So tractor finishing up their final crew work here. And we will fire up the Deere out of Pennsylvania. All right, where's our John Deere fans this afternoon? Come on, Green! Finishing at number 12 spot this year. He is definitely going to move up.
Very nice run for the John Deere, and that's at 241 and 1-2. I don't think we quite got there, maybe, but it is very close. And as you start to watch this class, it's going to be pretty well that sand pile, I'm going to say, what will take to win this field. Very, very competitive group. We only brought 12 of them. There's way more light pro stock tractors out there than 12. 238.852, 238 and 85 puts him in the number 2 position. Smokin John and Gregg.